everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Anything About Animals. I'm Dr. Aswathy. I'm a veterinary doctor. What if you're finding an abandoned puppy in the street, or what if you're finding a newborn puppies and the mother is already died? So my today's topic is how you can take care of those kind of abandoned newborn puppies, how you can make them survive. The newborn puppies health or growth is influenced by a lot of factors, mainly mother's nutrition, care which mother is giving, and many other factors. So when we are getting a abandoned newborn puppy, artificially what and all things we can provide, we should see. So the first and foremost important thing is we need to provide the appropriate body heat for the puppy. So usually initial first 4 days the puppy need a temperature of around 29.5 to 32 degrees Celsius. Then later the requirement of the body temperature will be decreasing. So how we can provide, can keep the puppies inside a cartoon box, and first you can keep a roll of tissue paper or thin cotton rolls, and you can keep the puppy upside that, and to provide the heat you can set the room heat of in 32 degrees Celsius, or even you can use the yellow color bulb. Or if all these kind of things are not available, what you can do is you can fill plastic bottles, which is thick plastic bottles or glass bottles, with hot water. You can cover these bottles with a cotton cloth, and these bottles you can keep underneath these puppies cartoon boxes, and so that you can make the puppies warm. And the second thing you need to be careful is nutrition. So in case of newborn puppies, the major ingredients which they need is water and protein. So sometimes people will be asking us like, doctor, can we give cow milk for the puppy because mother is not there, or can we give the human Cerelac? So the thing is, dog milk contains double the amount of protein than cow's milk. So we cannot replace the dog milk with cow milk. The canine milk replacer or dog milk replacer powders are available in market. So what you can do is, instead of giving the cow milk or instead of giving the human Cerelac, you can buy this dog milk replacers, and backside of the packet they will be mentioning how much powder you should take and how to mix in the hot water. So you can mix in the same way, and you can buy the small pediatric feeding bottles, and be careful when you are putting a small hole in the feeding bottle end. The hole should be very small one. If the hole is little big, what will happen when the puppy is sucking, more milk will be going inside. It can go to the trachea and issues can happen. And next thing you need to be careful is puppy milk should be at around 38 degrees Celsius. If it is too cold also, it can create issues. If it is too hot also, it can burn. And when you are giving this puppy milk, you can give per day around 4 to 5 meals. That means every 2 to 4 hours you can feed the puppy. And usually what will happen is, when we are giving the milk, it will just try to push the feeding bottle with the forelimbs, so we can understand that puppy got enough amount of milk, so we can stop the feeding at that time. In case of small breed puppies, what will happen is sometimes they may overfeed. So because of the overfeeding in the first week, first 7 days, there may be diarrhea chances there. So what you can do is limit the per feeding quantity of milk to the small breed puppies around 10 to 15 ml, so that the diarrhea issue will be resolved. When you are giving milk to puppy, be careful that you should hold the puppy in a horizontal way and the head in neutral position. Otherwise, it can go to trachea and cause lot of issues. Next important thing you need to take care when you are giving this milk replacers is, you need to sterilize the bottles in hot water after every use. If you are keeping the milk replacer after dilution for more than 1 hour in room temperature, just throw it away. Otherwise, it can cause lot of gastric issues to the puppies. Every time try to make new formula, fresh formula. This milk replacer should be given to the puppy until the age of 28 days. Until that, you should not give any other food until and unless your veterinarian is advising some formulas or anything. And our next point is elimination. When we are saying about the intake of food, it's always important how the elimination of waste is happening also. So usually for puppies in the first 3 weeks or 21st day, they can't urinate or poop without any stimulation. So the mother dog will be always licking after each feeding, and because of that licking stimulation, the puppy will be doing poop or urination. So when we are taking care of a abandoned newborn puppy, for elimination purpose, we should only stimulate the puppy. So how we can stimulate the puppy? So you need to take warm water. Inside that you can soak a small cotton ball or a cotton cloth, use it and gently strike over the genital area. So if you are taking care of a male puppy, in between anus and penis you need to do the stimulation, and if you are taking care of a female puppy, in between the anus and vulva you should do the stimulation. And after each feeding, when you are doing the stimulation, if the puppy is not passing poop or urine, you should immediately report to your veterinarian and take help. Next important thing is hygiene of the puppies. How we are taking care of our small neonatal babies, same way we should take care of the newborn puppies also. So you cannot wash the newborn puppies with cold water, because I already said body temperature of the puppies will be like they need around 32 degrees Celsius in the first few days. So what you can do is, either you can use the soft pet wipes, so you can wipe the body with the pet wipes, or you can use a towel which is dipped in hot water and then squeeze, and with that towel also you can wipe the body of puppies. Never ever wash the puppies with cold water, but always you should keep them clean and hygienic. The last and another important point to be noted is, you need to keep a logbook for the newborn puppy, and you should take always veterinary help for the puppy health. So in logbook, what you can do is, when you rescued the puppy, the date you can write, and from that date onwards, every day you should write the regular routine things of the puppies, like when it urinated, when it pooped, what is the consistency of the stool, what color the stool was, how much feed it had, when is the eye open, when is the first teeth went. All those things you need to keep in the logbook. And if for any doubt, you need to consult a veterinary doctor. When you are consulting a veterinary doctor, you can take this logbook also, so the veterinarian will be also getting an idea like what and all things happen from first day onwards. So it will be really helpful for diagnosis of the issue. When you are taking the newborn puppies to veterinary hospital, very important thing, you should be careful, because these puppies are not having the immunity against lot of viral diseases. Usually the immunity they will be getting from mother dog. So what will happen is, if you are taking these small puppies into a veterinary hospital to outside any place, they can get lot of viral infections or bacterial infections. So if it is necessary to show to a veterinary doctor, you need to take a prior appointment, fix the appointment, and directly just take the puppies from your home, secure them, directly go to the a sterilized area where the veterinarian will be seeing the puppies only. Then afterwards directly go to the home. You should not wait in the waiting area where normally other dogs are sitting and other people are there, or don't go to any other infectious area of the hospital with this newborn puppies. Always you should take care that the puppies should be in a complete sterile area. That is very important. I think whatever I have discussed now will be useful for you people if you are rescuing a small puppy, or anytime you are finding an abandoned puppy in the street. So I hope you all will try to help those kind of street puppies if you are finding one. Remember, whatever things now I have discussed is taking care of puppies which is abandoned, or the puppies which is not having mother with them. You should not separate the puppy from a mother dog at least for 35 to 45 days, because mother dog's care and nutrition is very much important for the puppies. Thank you all. I hope everyone got a better idea about how to take care of a abandoned puppy, and until we see you in the next video, bye.
Hi everyone. If you have any queries regarding your farm animals or pet animals, contact us on 6363064184 for online consultation. Even you can connect to us on Facebook or Instagram page. To see more such videos about animals, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Anything About Animals. Also, press the bell icon to get immediate notification on new videos. Thank you.